Hi, this tutorial is to help you navigate the Premier Designs Incentives website. First, let me show you how to get here really quick. If you go to the jeweler page, Premier Designs in your bar, and you log in as a jeweler, log in, you can find the Premier Design Incentives link right from this page, Jeweler Resources, Preferred Vendors, and then Premier Designs Incentives. And click on that. Now this is a website you'll be going to often, so you'll want to save it on your favorites. And you do that by clicking on the yellow star. That's how it is in my browser. And then you want to change it to Premier Incentives, so it's easy to read and short. Make sure it's on your bookmarks bar, and done. So now anytime you need to go to Premier Incentives, you'll see that it's right here on your bar. You can just click on it. There we go. And it'll take you directly into the website. So that's just a quicker way of doing that. Alright, so Premier Designs Incentives. This is our little shop where you can get pretty much any of the little business items that you'll need. Like you can order business cards here, displays, little hostess gifts, tools, jewelry, even t-shirts and little knickknacks. So let me just go through a couple things. This site, once you get on it, you'll see it's pretty self-explanatory, but I just want to highlight some things just in case you're wondering about products and where you can get them. There's a lot of things that you can already get here from Premier Incentives. So like I said, you can get some business cards. They do have the designs already made for you, and then on the back they already have printed the hostess plan. And they have several designs. You can just go through them and pick the one that you like. There's a couple others there. Now you can also do this on Vistaprint or Office Depot or any online or store that does business cards. You're not locked into doing it through here. So wherever you find the best price, I suppose. They have a checkout totes and little wallets. What else do they have? Tablet colors, jewelry, display essentials. They have a travel pack. Again, this is something you'll have to look at and just kind of search through. But let's go back and I want to show you your displays. A lot of you ask, well, where can I get my neck boards and earring boards and all my displays? Well, they have pretty good prices, actually. Probably the cheapest I've seen them so far is on their website. And you see that they have bracelet bars and a bunch of, let me see if I can change. Okay, right here, you'll probably want to do this to make it easier. It says display. You want to click on that and change it to 36. That just means that they'll show you 36 items at once and you won't have to keep pressing next. Okay, so that's like a little tip there. You can also sort it by name or price. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And you see they have necklace bar totes that with a bag so that it's easy to carry. They have little ring stands. Those are pretty neat. These boards here are nice for your tiny bracelet necklaces. The thin ones that you want to hang all together. And this is an easel, so it stands up really nice. Some bracelet bars. Necklace stands. And you probably want to decide on whether you want, black or white, or the burlap is something that's new and up and coming now. Some jewelers have black tablecloths with black neck boards, or you can mix and match with white and burlap. You can also even go for white tablecloth or pretty much any color you want. There's lots of ideas online, and even on our jeweler Facebook groups, you can get a lot of ideas about how people decorate their tables. I've seen people use these acrylic risers to kind of give height to their table. Those are really neat. Now, again, this is all optional. You don't even need any of this. For my first, I would say, maybe 5 months or 6 months of business, I didn't have any of these things. I just laid all the jewelry on the table real nice, and that worked out great. A lot of jewelers do that. It's easy to set up. It's easy to put away. You can also keep them in your trays and buy inserts. And I'll show you where the inserts are. But, you know, a couple of little these things aren't a bad idea either. Actually, this is the easel I have. Not that other one I showed you. This is the one I have where I hang my very thin crosses and necklaces. And that shows really nice. Because people who tend to like the small ones, they want to see them all together. Here's some of the burlap. Okay. Oh, is this page 3? Yeah, this is page 3. My absolute favorite are these tray inserts. You may not need them right away. You may think about this when you have a bigger selection of samples. Or you can start off this way, but this is where I'm at right now. I actually buy these inserts for my trays. And they're really nice because, let me see if I can get this a little bigger. They're really cheap. They're 99 cents, as you can see. And they're just plastic inserts that you stick inside of your box. And you see that it has little inserts, little separations. And they come in different sizes. Let me show you the 7 compartment size. Oh, is there a picture? I don't see a picture. So, but you'll notice that they have thinner spaces. This will be for like your longer necklaces. Then that second one is, I believe that's the 7 compartment. That's the one I like for my longer, thicker necklaces that fit better in there. And they have ones for earrings. The 18 compartment ones are good for earrings. You notice they have 7, 10, 8, and 18. I really like the 7, the 10, and then the 18 compartment for my earrings. It's really nice to organize your jewelry like this. And that's how I use, this is what I use for my earrings. And you see someone has a bracelet in there. You could probably use this for enhancers too. But it's a nice way of just getting to a show and putting the tray on the table and everything's nicely and separated and the customer just needs to pick it up. It's very convenient for setup, and I actually keep it in my house like this too. That's just my tip. Again, it took me about 2 years to even get to the point where I discovered the inserts, and it's probably my favorite right now so far. So you can keep looking through this website. That was under displays, by the way, and inserts. If you want to look for something more specific, you see that they also have it here broken down so that you see only that at a time. Hostess incentives. Let's go here really quick because you'll want to have little raffles and giveaways. And now you can pick these up anywhere. They should have a perceived value of about $15, but that doesn't mean it costs you $15. Absolutely not. Perceived value. So you want to pick up a couple of these little things. I actually use the Hostess bracelet, which I'm sure you're familiar with. And I get this here from Premier Incentives. Let's see if I can find it. But I'm just going to scroll through. You see they have little things. Some of it's not even jewelry related. Some people have a little basket of just little different gifts. And when someone wins a raffle, they just pick whatever they want. I tend to stick to 2 things. And I'm trying to find it. So you know what? Just to speed it through. Let me see if I can. I think it's under jewelry actually. But you saw that link, Hostess Incentives, had other little things that you can give. Look at these. These are stretchy rings. Now, they're stretchy, so one size fits all. They are absolutely beautiful in person. Absolutely beautiful. Now, at this price point, $3.50, you might want to maybe get 1 each and save these for very, very special giveaways. I tend to do this. I want to actually try doing this. At the time of the video, I haven't tried it yet, but it's been on my to-do list. I would like to get the Hope and Joy bracelet 3-pack. It's $5.25. And then each time you do a raffle, instead of raffling all 3, you can maybe raffle 1 at a time. And that saves on cost and lets you have a lot of different pieces at a time. Check out this ring. Isn't it gorgeous? But you'll notice a lot of jewelers use this, the petite tennis bracelets. Ladies love those. You can just see that they have different things. These are really nice. They're ribboned necklaces. Now, this is not like the Della Creme necklace in our catalog. It's a little different. It's sheer, and I believe it just has 1 hook. and it's more for pendants, but this is a nice little giveaway. Look at that price, and you can absolutely use that. I actually want to order one in every color so that I can wear my enhancers in a different way. These are really nice too. The double tennis throw bracelets are another nice one for maybe a special giveaway, maybe a once a month raffle or something like that. Just always keep in mind that these are costs that add up. So then this takes away from your profit. So you want to, at least my suggestion, just personally, is to keep the cost low, because this is coming out of your profit. But you can get really nice things at really great prices here or anywhere. A lot of jewelers go to the dollar store or they shop maybe like online. I know jewelers that go to orientaltrading.com and they get packages of little tiny blingy frames. So that's staying in, the blingy part, but it's also a nice little gift. There's the Hope ring. I know you're all familiar with this. This is my absolute favorite. Guests and customers absolutely love it. Look at the price. It's $199. So it's one of those just beautiful rings that it's really beautiful for the price as well. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? This is another pack that comes with 3, and you can get the pack and just divide them up. And you can keep looking through this. There's the Hostess bracelet, the gold and the silver. Look at the price, $245. And that bracelet, if you have received it, you know that it is very good quality. It's absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and guests and customers love it. So you can keep going through this. Those are just some of my top suggestions. And I want to show you where I get my things. And you can keep going through all the different categories. So just to keep this video short, I'll stop right here, but you can keep going. You see they have stamps and just a lot of different things that you can get. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and fall in love with Premier Designs Incentives. Thanks.